sharing an easy to prepare, yummy, and most of all, a healthy recipe that your whole family will enjoy. Today, I will be showing you how to make a super easy quiche. It's crustless, so it will not take you a long time to make, and it's gluten-free. Yay! All right, let's get to it. Step number one, we're gonna turn the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, or it's 375 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna start with veggies. So this is a vegetarian quiche. If your family likes ham, you can add some ham or bacon or any other kind of meat. I'm gonna start with my carrot. I always use a trash container so it's easier for cleanup. And we'll be using a food processor because that's another very useful utensil in a kitchen for time saving. Zucchini is next, and I'm going to use bell pepper. One of my kids doesn't really like bell pepper, but I'm gonna cut it very small so he doesn't even notice. We're just gonna hide it in there. So we're shredding the carrot and zucchini. And it's that fast. Okay, now I'm going to grease the dish. Actually, who says that quiche has to be circular? I only have a rectangular one. So this quiche is gonna be a rectangle. So use any oil that you like as a base. I like to use the extra light tasting olive oil because it's good for frying as well. So I'm gonna spread out the oil on the bottom of the baking dish so our quiche does not stick because we don't have the crust for it. And we're using almond flour, just sprinkling on the bottom, just again to prevent sticking. And we'll also add a nice taste to our quiche. Now the veggies are going into the bottom of the dish. As I said, you can use any veggies that you like. You can use broccoli or asparagus is also nice. Now for the egg mixture, 5 eggs. I always like to buy organic eggs because they're much better for you than regular eggs. So we're gonna use a mixing bowl, so get a large mixing bowl. Now for the milk, I'm using I'm using skim milk. You can use 1%, you can use soya milk, you can use rice milk, whatever milk you like. So 1 teaspoon of sea salt and some pepper. Jamie Oliver pepper with some chili flakes. And some mixed herbs. So there's oregano and basil. So just throw it in. I never measure, but it's about 1 teaspoon. And I'll whisk it even more. Use those muscles. If you haven't done your arms workout yet today, place it on top of your veggies. And now we're getting into the cheese. So it's about 1 cup of cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. Notice that I haven't washed my food processor, but doesn't matter because it all goes into the quiche. This is all about time saving, baby. And the cheese goes on top of our egg mixture. So this is mozzarella cheese. If you have cheddar, you can use cheddar. You can add some parmesan, you can add feta. Again, whatever cheese you like. Yesterday I made some salsa, so for extra flavor, I will add some salsa on top. So this is my salsa roja, and I'm gonna sprinkle that on top. Okay, so now the quiche is going into the oven for about 40 minutes. When it's bubbly on top, then it's ready. All right, let's check out what we made. This smells freaking delicious. Yum. Too bad I'm not gonna be able to taste it now because it's very hot, but I will taste it tomorrow and let you know. But it looks pretty good. So when you're cooking your quiche, please keep an eye on it so the top doesn't burn, or you can, for the last part of cooking, you can cover it with aluminum foil. You can enjoy this quiche for breakfast, lunch, and dinner anytime. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you like to see any recipes, let me know and I will make a video just for you.